My name is Ulrike Luehe. I'm with the Dealing with the Past team at Swiss Peace and the University of Basel.
And my name is Jordi Vives at the Institute for Business Ethics at the University of St. Gallen, Switzerland.
And the name of the project is?
Corporate Symbolic Reparations in Context of Transitional Justice. It's a study of 3 cases in Colombia, South Africa, and Germany.
And can you please tell us about the research questions that guide your project?
We have 2 sets of research questions. The first one focuses on the side of corporations and asks how do they engage in symbolic reparations processes, why and under what circumstances do they decide to do so, and with what outcomes for themselves and the victims. And then secondly, we focus on the side of the victims and their communities and ask, do they actually engage in these corporate or with the corporations in symbolic reparations processes, how and what impact does this have on them?
So before going on to our question about methods, can you tell us what are symbolic reparations?
Yeah, symbolic reparations are those type of reparations that in a way try to address what in a way cannot be fixed, meaning they try to address that moral aspect of the harm, meaning you can provide compensation for a wrong, you can try to restitute the victim, but at the end of the day, the victim might also expect kind of acknowledgement of what happened, right? And this may take the form of, for example, apologies, commemorations, memorials, collective memory exercises. And the focus on the goal of our study is to understand how corporations may engage into this kind of exercise.
And maybe you can tell us a bit more about the methods that you are going to be employed in the project?
So we will focus on 3 case studies, as mentioned already. And in each of these case studies, we will have 2 specific corporate symbolic reparations events, in a way, or processes that we focus on. We will collect our data through key informant interviews, archive work, document analysis, and a small survey that we're doing in the beginning to get a sense for the scope of this phenomenon we're investigating. And analytically, we'll focus on qualitative content analysis, which allows us to draw on management studies, business and human rights, transitional justice, and peace-building fields.
And what do you hope to achieve by the end of this 2-year project?
By the end of this 2-year project, the goal is actually to better understand how corporations can help push towards reconciliation in this type of contexts, which are transitional justice contexts, post-conflict contexts. And we hope to have contributed from a theoretical perspective, but also gain a lot of understanding from real cases from our field research.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.